Yum. I can smell that bacon all the way from here. You know what would be good with this filet? That's a bacon. It's a bacon. It's not a filet mignon. It's just a filet. You know what? I don't even know what it said. It said beef tenderloin filet. Wasn't very expensive. Anyway, and it's wrapped in bacon. I don't know if you ever had fried grits before. It's leftover grits, like your grits from yesterday. Put them in the refrigerator and they congeal. They kind of, I don't know how to explain it. They kind of get hard like a cake, kind of. Especially if you put it in a form. I put mine in a little circle, form like a hamburger patty mold. So I'm going to fry up those grits and an egg. Have that with my bacon wrapped filet. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. My buddy Bear showed me that trick in a video he did. Put a stick in your mess kit and your handle won't flop around. Oh man, it smells great. It's a little filet. Oh, here comes the rain. Filet, bacon wrapped filet, fried grits and a fried egg. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Texas Pete on my egg. And I might drizzle some on my meat there. There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, forgot my knife. Doggone it. I'll be right back. This is my little, I just picked this thing up. Oh, you might not can see it. I just picked that up. It's a Mora. Well, it's a, that was a KJ Erickson. Made in Mora. I guess there was a couple of different knife manufacturers and they called them Mora knives until they combined to what we know as Mora knife today. Anyway, this one's I did a little research on it. It's called a Scout knife. Being green, it might be a Girl Scout, you know, made for Girl Scouts. I don't know. But it's from like the mid-50s. It's very cool. Then y'all have seen my Civil War fork before. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fried grits. Good stuff. Mm-hmm. Mm. Sorry to eat in front of you, but I worked so hard making it. Now I gotta enjoy it. Oh, I'm not gonna eat all this in front of you. I do want to say I appreciate you hanging out with me for a while, and I reckon we'll see y'all next time. Bye.